Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset a WordPress website. So if you have images, posts, pages, or you've made some certain changes and you want to get WordPress to the default state that it ships with, you can actually do that easily by installing a plugin. So I'm going to go over to my plugins tab and I'll click on add new. And there are a few plugins that can actually do this, but I'm going to be showing you how one of them works. So just type in WP reset over here at the search box, and it's going to take a while, and you're going to see this first tool here called WP reset. So this helps you to reset your entire site or some selected parts. So this is really advanced, and other tools might help you reset your WordPress website, but this one allows you to select the things that you want to reset it. So I'm going to click on install now and I'm going to activate this. So I'll show you how it works. Okay, so once you activate it, you're going to get this pop-up here. So you go over to your tools, and under tools you're going to see WP reset here. So I'll click on WP reset and I'm going to show you how it works. So just scroll down to the bottom and type in reset. So once you type in reset over here, there's some few things you can do. You can reactivate all your active plugins, or you can just leave that, or you could reactivate your 2020 theme. So what this will do is it's going to reset the entire WordPress installation. It's going to delete user roles, widgets, transcends, media files, and a lot of that. So I'm going to just click reset quickly. Okay, I didn't type this reset well, so reset and click on reset WordPress. So this does it very fast, and that's about it. So you get your first user, you get your password remains unchanged, and that's about it. So it's very easy to reset your WordPress website. So you see I have 0 posts, 1 comment, and this is the default hello world post that comes with WordPress. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and you can subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.